them. Those are all my cars. Look at them right over there. Okay. Come on. Go try it out. His name is Pig. His name is Tractor. His name is Frankie. His brain. Here's Sally. Here's Sally. Here's Barney, but his leg is broken. I'm having loose. Oh, I can't get it.
Okay, keep showing me.
Look, Guido, Luigi, Dr. Fang, GTO, the Pit Stopper,
the Pit Stop Crew.
The Pit Stop Crew.
Yeah, good. Now who? Piston Cup?
Piston Cup. No,
Toe Cap?
Fred.
Yep.
Ferrari.
Yep.
Tail Car Trip. Ramon. Van. Rusty Brothers. That one.
Rusty and Dusty.
Dusty.
And that's Woody.
Yeah, Woody.
Flick and Flea.
Flick and Flea. Those are brothers. The Snow Monster. Of Corey.
Oh, hold on, let me go back over here.
Of
Corey. Doc Hudson.
Over there. There's lots of people.
DJ.
You know what? I have the Peterbilt.
Hold on, let me get the camera.
I have the Peterbilt.
You have the Peterbilt?
Yeah.
Oh, that is hard to get.
You want me to
And you know what else is hard to get? Is Mater the Grader.
Yeah, I don't have the set.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have that.
Okay, so we have Leakless and RPM.
Okay.
How many cars do you have?
104.
Even more, yeah. About 107 you have.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to keep on going here.
Okay.
So that's our Leakless and No Stalls.
Okay, and okay, this is my Peterbilt. This is my Peterbilt.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. I just got to show all these cars here. There's Peterbilt.
Woohoo! Check the front down.
There he is. And then your helicopters are on top. I'll just do a close-up of the helicopters. Cool. And then your Octane Gain, Trunk Fresh. Wow, you have lots of lightnings, blue lightnings. And you have a big Lego Mac over there, but on top is the Mater the Grader guys and blimps. And that's it. So that'll be over 100 cars. This is Thomas's collection.
Okay, so, bye.